Alright guys, today I am here with another kitchen tip for you cookers and for people who like to save money. So yeah, you're like, what are you doing with these ends of the bread, with the butts of the breads, whatever you want to call them. Today I'm going to show you how you can save money. A lot of times we have breadcrumbs. These are a Japanese style panko breadcrumb, which I will be doing once these are gone, a DIY on these as well. We haven't used these as much, so your girl's going to use these before I create more, so that I'm not wasting my money. So we take the ends of the bread from our loaf of bread. This is my Aldi's bread. We take the ends of the bread and we literally leave them on the counter as such, just like a plate like this, and that right there will allow the bread to dry out. Stale bread is bread that's dried out. It's dried out because the air has created a system that pulls all the moisture out of the bread, making it hard, different from toasting your bread. So which I have here is a container of breadcrumbs, and I was kind of lazy. The last batch I put in, I didn't crush them as well, but this is what my breadcrumbs looks like. And this is nothing but breadcrumbs that I have took over time and crushed and put inside of here. Now, they're not going to mold. Why they're not going to mold? Because they have no moisture. The moisture has been dried out of these. So don't worry about this turning into mold because it is bread and bread does mold. No, it's dried out. The mold comes from the moisture and the air combination, and it creates a nesting place for mold to grow. So anyways, that's a cooking tip. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be back after I have allowed these to sit overnight and show you how they just crumble from being dry as if they were toast, and put them into my container. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys are enjoying these kitchen tips. Hey y'all, we are back with the bread for today, and it is crusty. But yeah, I am making today I cut up some bacon, and I'm making bacon cheddar hash brown omelets and some toast. So that's what your girl is making. This is just some seasoned hash browns from Aldi that I crushed up and put olive oil in there, and basically I'm getting ready to drain this bacon because I'm going to mix it with the hash browns, and getting ready to get my eggs going over here. And then I have some chicken tenders that I'm about to marinate for a recipe that I'm going to share with you guys. But yeah, the bread is crushable. See that? The bread is crushable. So now guys, all I do is crush it, and then I'm going to place it inside here. I just let it sit overnight. Nothing special. I hope you guys are enjoying this tip, and this is going to save you money instead of going out and buying breadcrumbs when you don't need to. You don't need to. You have it, and you're probably throwing it in the trash, so utilize it in your meatloaves and things that you want to thicken up. I use breadcrumbs for so many different things. Maybe I'll do a video on the uses of breadcrumbs to make different meals tender, different meats tender, and stews and stuff like that. I'll probably do a video on that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And girl, why I made these last night, 24 of them, and do y'all see how many is in there? See, that's what I be talking about. If y'all want me to share my yellow cake recipe and my chocolate frosting recipe, it's a chocolate cream cheese icing and yellow cake. But yeah, that's it. That's the bread tip. I love you guys. I hope you enjoy. Share these tips, and make sure, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to your girl for the kitchen tips, the cooking tips, the cleaning tips, and all the other tips that I will be giving you on this channel. Later, gators.